So I'm looking at this thing. I'm trying to figure out how to make this garage door opener work. Can't fit this way. It's got to go here. And I realized, wow, check this out. This is like Legos. This pops off here. Spin it around. Stick that in here. There's another one. You need both of them. And I just checked it. This will fit up in here, and that reaches, and it activates the opener. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all together right now, and I'm just super excited about this. Super neat. That alone is worth all the aggravation of putting this thing together. I wish I would have put this at the end of that last video I posted. So, man, super stoked.